Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just want to make an announcement for our channel members and cloud access. If you are a channel member, you'll get a notification in the messages for members of our new patterns we added to the cloud. We're going to be working on Valentine's patterns and filling up the cloud with hearts and patterns of love. Just added our latest patterns, Heart on Fire and the Michelle heart. Show you what Hearts on Fire looks like. And go back to the files. Michelle is a beautiful Victorian styled heart. Here's a color preview, and as well they come in a PDF format. It shows you the color preview, and you get the black and white option for printers, your Cricut machines for plotters, and the numbered version. And we will be adding more. You see the Michelle pattern. This one I actually named after my wife, my first Valentine's pattern of the year. It's a Victorian style heart, again in numbered, unnumbered, and color preview. If you're a member, you will get a notification in the members only access in our message system here on YouTube. If you're not a member, consider joining. It's only $2.99 a month, and besides all the new Valentine's patterns, we'll show you we have all the other patterns in the past. There's quite a bit here. I mean, I don't want to scroll through them all. I mean, I can, but there's quite a bit, and our members know, when they go to the cloud, it's pretty amazing. And this is our way of saying thank you for being a member. Just to show a couple, the Art Deco. These are full-size patterns, and there are quite a lot, in the file, in the cloud itself. All right, so if you're not a member, there's going to be a link below the video for you to join. And you don't have to stay around. You can join and then leave, and after a month, grab all the patterns, take all my patterns, and then come back, join again, because we're going to be always adding more, more patterns. Just to give you an example, our Christmas folder here on the cloud is just chocked with the pattern. We also include the whole book, our Downey's Christmas stained glass pattern book. You get the full file. There's no joke. It's 60 plus patterns, and right there alone, that's amazing offer what we give to our members. And there's 60 plus patterns here, and and it goes on, and there's more. We have the dangles. These are all new designs we came up. We call them dangles. They're very simple Christmas patterns, and again, $2.99. I mean, it's just amazing. The link to the cloud will be posted in the members only messages on YouTube. And again, if you're not a member, please join. It's really worth it. I mean, it's just I like to give, I like to share, and this is my way of saying thank you for being a member. And yeah, if you're not a member, you should join. And at best, if you like my videos, if you like my YouTube channel, please, just hit me the thumbs up. Give me that thumbs up. Comment below. You could ask me how to join. You can go to my main area of my YouTube channel and easily join. And again, thank you for being a member. I really appreciate the support, and this is the least I can do, to say thank you. And in the spirit of giving, which I give 365 days of the year, it's Christmas. I'd like to give more to the YouTube community, which I share a lot of content information. I do my best. And again, in the comments below, in the video description, I'll have a link to join our channel. Take care, and everybody have a very, very Merry Christmas, a safe Christmas, a safe holiday, traveling, and a great time with your friends and family. Take care, and we're looking forward to 2026. A lot more exciting stuff is on the way. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. You'll get updates, and that's free. The membership is $2.99 a month. And again, you could come and go if you like. I'm not gonna hold you to it. That was my thank you. Grab the patterns. Take the patterns, and if you stick around, you'll get the updates of all new patterns. And yeah, and if you use them, I'd love to see what you make. In my community area of Facebook, you can also post images, post the patterns themselves. You'll see in my community pages. I'll put a link to that below the video as well. And once again, thank you for watching.